Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to cook orange chicken from Costco. First, let's get our oven ready. You'll want to preheat it to a steady 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 205 degrees Celsius. While that's heating up, take the frozen orange chicken out of its bag. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. This simple step makes cleanup a breeze, so you can enjoy your delicious meal without any fuss afterwards. It's all about making dinner easy and enjoyable. Now that your oven is hot, carefully arrange the frozen chicken pieces on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Make sure they are in a single layer and not touching each other too much. This allows for even cooking and helps them get nice and crispy. Pop them into the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispiness. Keep an eye on them to ensure they cook perfectly. While your chicken is baking, let's get the star of the show ready, the delicious orange sauce. You'll find 2 sauce packets inside the Costco package. There are a couple of ways to warm them up. You can gently heat them in a small saucepan over low heat on your stovetop, stirring occasionally. Alternatively, for a quicker option, snip open the packets and microwave the sauce in a bowl in 30-second bursts, stirring well after each interval until it's warm and easily pourable. Don't overheat it. Your crispy chicken is ready. Carefully take it out of the oven and transfer it into a large mixing bowl. Now for the best part, pour that wonderfully warm orange sauce all over the chicken pieces. Using tongs or a large spoon, gently toss everything together until every single piece of chicken is beautifully coated in that sweet and tangy sauce. Serve your homemade Costco orange chicken immediately with some fluffy white rice, steamed vegetables, or whatever sides you love. Enjoy your fantastic meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.